Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. So in this one I'm gonna talk about how we pose the spine in a dynamic way. So first we need to be seeing the spine as a whole shape. So how this whole shape is doing, alright? So we need to stop seeing it as only how I am rotating this, how much I'm rotating this, and how much I'm rotating this, and stuff like that. Because, alright, so when you start learning animation, the thing is you are afraid to break the rig, which is a great thing, by the way. I'm not saying go ahead and like start translating stuff around, and because this is also bad. This is really bad actually. Do not start selecting random controls and translating them around like that. It's not that. So I found the best thing is the middle ground between both of these. So what I do personally, and what tends to work best for me, is I start by doing it anatomically the correct way, which is only rotation. So I start by only rotating the controls, and then when I get them to a really good place, I start looking at it from another angle. So okay, I say I got it, perfect. I nailed the right way of going about it, which is how the bones actually function, which is only rotation. And now I wanna start looking at it from a different angle, which is how we do it in animation, how we push stuff in appeal. So I wanna start focusing on appeal now and shapes rather than functionality only. So this is to plus things. So we do not start by thinking shapes. We do not start by thinking how do I want to make this pose like directly pushed, because this is also wrong. So we do not want to start by translating stuff around. No, we're gonna go the functional way first, which is rotating stuff, and then on top of that we want to plus it. Alright, so on top of it we can do whatever we want. Alright, now we can do translation, for example. We can start translating the upper chest, and here I already like have translation in here. I even move this one, which is the hips, so I'm not scared now because I already have the functional part working, you know. So now I'm only plussing it a little bit. And also, other than the spines control, a lot of rigs contains these shaper controls, which are like a little bit of sub controls, and these also help us with shaping the rig, and we can do whatever. We can also scale, we can rotate, we can do whatever. So yeah, here I have nearly moved all of them. Now I'm seeing all of these controls have a little bit of attributes that are changed. Alright, so don't be afraid of doing that, but keep in mind, do not start with that. This is only meant for plussing stuff. Alright, so for example, for this pose I have another keyframe where I zeroed out everything translation and scale for these controls, and also for these two controls, and like everything translation that I did to plus it, I have zeroed it out just to show you the pose before me looking at the spine in a shape manner, because this is the shape I wanted to hit here. Okay, so this was before, which is this one, and then I did a drawing on top of it, something that looked something like that, and then I said to myself, alright, I want to hit this, and then I moved the shapers and the stuff around, and here you go. That's the pose that I got. Thanks a lot guys for tuning in, and hope to see you in the next one.